This is your host, Noor Ali, right tools for right job. So you can see this fan is kind of dirty. Needs to be cleaned, right? And slight. We're going to air it out later. This is a dual fan. And then I lift the cover. It's got some memory in there. The memory size and stuff is right there. There's another memory stick. Now, I doubt this will have a physical drive. I don't see any bay. I see two sticks over here, and we'll have to find out what kind of hard drive it has, SSD or not. And I think this port that you see is for SSD. Okay, so this one looks kind of new, in a very good condition. Okay, very good condition. All right, so you have seen my other shorts and videos I presented on chipsets and motherboards and cards, whatnot. My God, this is a multi-layer board. This is what you call a chipset, right? This is a chipset. These are, the olden days are gone when we used to do a component level repair. These usually known as the test points. And this is a switch and switch 2. Don't press it. This says switch 2. Don't press it till you don't have the right service manual of the laptop, okay? Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. We used to work on blade servers in the data centers. There are switches on the motherboards to reset the CMOS and the memory and all that. NVR, RAM we used to call it. And some motherboards have them, but don't touch it at all, right? Now, this is the hard power supply. Okay, so it doesn't smell, looks good, but this is how it looks like. Okay, so whenever you want to replace this, you can order this right here. Okay, today's lab was focused on to see what it has, right? So now I'll be discovering, looking at what I can order to get this moving forward. Looks a good laptop. All we may need is a power adapter that didn't cost me any money, and I don't see any other issues. This is called a CMOS right there. Okay, so we're going to end this one over here, and this is the guts. Whether we call it the guts and the belly of the laptop, basically, just like that. Okay, so be careful when you work with it. Handle with care. Don't put too much torque. Don't put too much force in it. All right, till my next video comes out, we will see. This is your host, Noor Ali, right tools for right job. Thank you.